What's going on YouTube? Crypto Kyle with another cryptocurrency video. Today I'm going to be telling you guys why right now is the perfect time to invest in cryptocurrency if you haven't already. If you haven't checked out any of my other videos, there'll be a link on the screen for one. I highly recommend checking it out. It's a good way to make low risk investments into cryptocurrency. But let's get right into the video. Alright, so here's the total market capitalization for cryptocurrency over the past year, basically. Um, so in cryptocurrency, we always see big run-ups and huge dips. So right here, you can see the market capitalization was 110 billion, it got down to about 70 billion. Here we see it's 178 billion, got down to 107 billion. Up here, 620 billion, 539 billion. Here, 828 billion, 682 billion. So as you can see, these large dips are they're very regular. If you look at this is the past month of January, you can see there's a big run up, and now it's being dumped off. All right. If you come back to this chart, it's January from last year. There's a large run up the first week of January, and then it gets dumped off. And then the second half of January, which we haven't experienced yet, it's basically just climbing back to a regular level. Then here's January from 2016. The large run up was actually in December of 2015, but it still ran up a little bit here, and as you can see, it got dumped off, and then the second half of January it's stabilizing. But what's cool is the February charts. As you can see from 2017, it's just going up. It has this clear uptrend, and then it's the same exact thing in 2016. It has this clear uptrend in February after it gets dumped off. What's basically happening to cause this is that a lot of new people are getting into the cryptocurrency game in the beginning of January and December after holiday season. Everyone has some more money that they can spend. Everyone wants to recreate themselves during the new year and to make money. But what ends up happening is after that first week, when the price runs up a lot, a bunch of institutional investors, or whales they're called, they pull all their money out because they know it's overpriced from these newcomers. And then the newcomers, they get scared. They're like, oh, I just made a horrible investment. Cryptocurrency's gonna take all my money, blah blah blah. And they pull their money out thinking that they're gonna save it, when really they just don't understand that this run-up's supposed to happen in February. And history is generally a good indicator of the past. No one knows where cryptocurrency is heading. I mean, it could go down even more, but likely, based on the historic events, cryptocurrency is going to keep going up. It's an industry that I think is undervalued. It basically it solves a bunch of financial issues. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. It helps out. We have Ripple XRP solving liquidity issues in banks. We have Litecoin coming out with a Litecoin debit card. And it's never too late to get into it, guys. It's only going up from here. And if you haven't watched any of my other videos, I highly recommend them. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a nice day.